Welcome to Chloe's Imaginary World. Hello, welcome to Chloe's Imaginary World. My name is Chloe, and I have tattoos on my arm today. And today we're going to do this fun little science experiment. It's called Make Your Own Bouncy Ball. Look at this. I am so excited to do this with you. And remember to check your parent with your parents' segment. We have some instructions here, and I can't wait to do this with you. But I'm not sure what this warning means. But whatever. Let's get to the fun parts.
All right, so again, we got to check with our parents first. Hi, this is Papi speaking now, yeah. So we're going to need a pair of scissors. Again, check with your parents. And we're going to need some water. So it's a little kind of a science experiment, right, Chloe?
Yeah.
Right, and at the end, what should we get?
A bouncy ball.
A bouncy ball, a round bouncy ball. So make your own bounce ball. Can you turn it over? So we have instructions over here. All right, and which we could add in the description of the video, but there's some powder in there, and we're gonna add water. So we're gonna need a bowl with some water, and then we'll follow the instructions, and we should end up with a bouncy ball, right, Chloe?
Yeah.
All right, let's try this. Let's go get some water.
So this, let's crack it open. Cut. Ooh.
What is that?
I don't know. I think it's a little mold.
Oh, watch out. Be careful. What's inside?
Ooh.
Oh, it's like a little powder. Oh.
And anything else? That's it?
That's it. Well, that shouldn't be too complicated then, huh?
Yeah. And look. It kind of moved the second part. Hey, this is the one you wanted.
Show it in the camera, Chloe. All right. So I guess we're gonna use that to help us make the ball, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
We need a plate.
Yeah, or anything we can put under, right, to help
Yeah.
us cover our work area and
Yes.
not make a mess,
Yes.
right?
So with this, we're using a plate.
All right. So next step, Chloe, we're gonna put the powder, mix the powder, and put this in our little pink mold down there, right?
I'm going to open the orange one.
Okay. What's your favorite color?
I'm going to start with orange.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
No, you gotta put that in the mold, Chloe.
All
right.
Kind of a little bit messy, but we have to play. Okay, some of this getting in the mold.
So the best way would be just to cut a little bit of the tiny little bag open at the corner and then pour that carefully into the mold, right?
Oh, yeah. Now, I think we should do blue.
I think we're gonna need a lot more powder. All right, let's do this. Let's cut a little corner. Perfect. And carefully, can you do it with your other hand so the other kids can see it on camera? There you go. Hold it with your other hand. Okay. All right. What are we gonna do with all the orange powder? All right. Papi will find a way to pick it up and fill up the mold. Is the mold full?
No.
Over here. Bring it over here. Show in the camera.
No, it's not.
Now there's
Not
still.
that full. This is like kinetic sand.
Oh,
Like,
is it?
it feels like
Okay.
kinetic sand.
All right. So we just need to add a little bit more powder in it. Get a little bit more orange, and then I guess we'll be ready for the next step, which is Putting it in the water.
Oh, this is pretty actually. It's like this, and then blue, and then orange, blue, orange. It's a pattern.
Yeah. You want to explain the other kids what a pattern is?
Yeah. So a pattern is like a object, and then you do a different object, and then you do the same object again, and then again, and again, and again.
Okay.
That's a pattern.
All right, cool. All right, let's get ready for the next step.
Now we need a bowl full of water. And before you do that, check with your parents.
Yes, very important. All right, first, hold on. The next step is, okay, put a little bit of water in it. Just put it over the bowl. Hold it over the bowl. We're gonna pour a little bit of water. Hold it, don't drop it. Okay, we're gonna wait a few seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
And then the next
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
step,
17, 18,
we're gonna
19,
pour
20,
that.
21, 22, 23,
Pour
24,
the
25,
mold.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay, we're gonna pour the mold and the water to set and keep it there 30 seconds. So do you want to keep holding it, put it in there, or?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No,
7,
you're counting
8,
too
9,
fast.
30. Hold on. Let's see now. What's the next step?
All right, so the next step is simply to open up the mold. Wow! Take it out of the water. Take it out of the water. All right, so we're gonna put that back on the plate because we cannot open it yet. We're gonna have to wait 5 minutes.
What? 5 minutes?
5 minutes without opening it and let it just sit there. All right, everyone, we're gonna wait 5 minutes.
Then we'll have to pause the whole video.
Yes, and we'll be back.
Okay, children, I think it might be time that our ball is finally ready. Let's carefully open it.
Are we gonna have a bouncy ball?
I'm not sure. It kind of looks like we won't.
Can you open it? Grab it from the top.
Yeah.
Pull it apart. Oh, is it going to work? The stress is killing me. Well, it looks like we have kind of a ball, right?
It kind of was. Ew, it's sticky.
We kind of have a ball, don't we?
It's sticking to the mold.
Okay, let's work this out. Trying to get it out.
How do we get this out?
Bring it back on top of the plate, please. Well,
I think this won't work.
all right. Let me help you.
I'm trying to do it carefully.
We don't have a perfect ball here, but
You still may,
it's a little sticky. I see.
but we still might
Oh.
have a ball.
We have a kind of almost a ball.
Well, it's squishy
Yeah.
and gooey sticky. You would not like to feel this.
No.
Yeah, this is very sticky.
You want to bring it closer a little bit?
This
Kinda
is very
show?
sticky.
So this is what it looks like. If you just look at it from this angle, well, it's success. It looks really nice, but now I don't think we had enough of the powder of the sand.
Okay, children, now it's time to see if this will bounce. 3, 2, 1. It bounced!
Is it gonna bounce? Is it not
It
gonna
will
bounce? Come on, 3, 2, 1.
It bounced?
Kind of. Oh, and it's gone.
Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell.